Hi guys, this is a quick video on taking a look at and how to change the all new idea by Harman, who make JBL speakers, a removable and therefore replacement battery from JBL's latest speaker, the Xtreme 4. The battery housing is underneath the base of the speaker, and as you can see, the heads of the bolts that hold the battery housing lid on are not a standard flat head or cross head, so you'll need what is called a Torx head screwdriver bit like this. Just Google it or Amazon search it and you'll see they're easily purchased if you don't already have one. This is size T27. This is a great idea because having the option to remove the battery means it can obviously be replaced when it starts to lose its health over time, hopefully adding years of life to your speaker. And at this price, that's a great thing, believe me. Now I'm using a standard household food knife to get in the pre-made slot to lift the battery housing cover off. And what you don't want to do is this. If you do this, this will damage the inner seal that keeps the whole area watertight for that IP67 function. This battery needs to stay dry, and if you do that, it's going to damage that seal. So you must keep whatever you use, whether it's a knife or a screwdriver, you must keep it in that slot or you will not keep it waterproof. Very important. I made a mistake there, very silly. I looked at it after, I thought, what am I doing? But I thought I'd let you guys know so you don't make the same mistake. But to be honest, you'd be better, far better, to use something that's made of hard plastic, like a proper plastic leverage tool, you know, like they use on phones when they replace the screens and stuff, just in case you damage the housing cover surround and inner seal that's required to be intact in order to keep this battery dry when putting that IP67 waterproof and dustproof function to work. So as you can see, there's a little orange tag. So it's very simple, just to pull the battery out. It's quite tight fitting, as you'd expect. You don't want it to be rattling around, of course. Just give it a little bit of a pull and out she comes. Quite a big old battery this, guys, the equivalent to 7.2 volts or 9,444 milliamps, but then it does give up to a full day's music playtime. That's 24 hours, depending on the music level, of course. The full battery spec is in the description down below, and putting the battery back in is just as easy enough, of course, with the shape of the battery making it impossible to put it back in the wrong way round. Fitting the cover back on is easy enough too, making sure the slot that's used to insert the knife to get it off in the first place is towards the front of the speaker. Now it does need a bit of a hard push in, guys, as it's a very tight fit due to the rubber seal to keep it watertight for that IP67 functionality. Put the bolts back in and tighten them up, not over tight but quite hard, and you're ready to go. Now at the time of making this video in March 2024, there are no spare batteries for the Xtreme 4 available to buy yet, as it's just come out, as you probably know, and there's no idea of the price either, as JBL have no information about it at all on their website as far as I'm aware, so we'll just have to wait and see. Now this is a real game changer as far as the speaker's life is concerned, as I've already said, but it's much better for the environment too, as we become more environmentally friendly and start to throw away less items, hopefully, or we should be, especially in the form of tech and gadgets, as the whole tech world really is having a bit of a negative impact on the environment, to be honest, I believe. So we really do need to start becoming aware of making things more sustainable, and this replacement battery is a definite move by JBL in the right direction for these portable speakers. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, guys, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. It really helps me out a lot, and thanks if you already have, it's very much appreciated. Thanks a lot for watching, take care, see you soon.